Just going to show you another video with Wordwall. So sign into your account and then on the tab button click the blue highlighted create an activity. It brings up all the activities you can create: matchup, quiz, random wheel, group sort, anagram. I'm going to just show you seating plan. So click on seating plan, give it a title. So I'll just put something like class 1 seating plan, and then you can put your one name only of the people in your class, or you can put the first name and last name. Let's just put one name only. So let's type in Matthew and just add a new student. Put in Mike, Mona, Helen, David, Jane, Jack, Megan, put one more in, John. Okay, so once you've done that, click done. And that will save your activity and will produce you a seating plan. And there is your seating plan. On the right you can see seating plan, groups and teams, random wheel. That's in the interactives. And then you can print out a seating plan, name sheet, a register or random wheel. So let's just play the seating plan to show you how that works. Pick a group. I'm going to pick a group of, say, 3. See, so you can use that sort of facility. Just pick one student. Okay, good. And then after that you can exclude the student you picked if you like. And also in this way you can give scores to people and groups. Okay, in the next section, groups and teams. So you can put people in, students in groups of pairs, groups of 3, 4, 2 teams, 3 teams, or 4 teams. I usually do pairs or groups of 3. We've got 9 students, so we do groups of 3. There you have your group. You can make it bigger if you go across the screen like that. And you can shuffle them if you like. And you can pick one group if you like. So that's how the seating plan works. And if you want to change that to the random wheel, you can have the same names in the random wheel. Spin the wheel and you can choose a name. If you want to eliminate that name, you can eliminate it and you can spin again. Yeah, so eliminate the name or resume. So like I said, you can also do that in the printables. So you've got your seating plan as a printable if you need to print it out, a name sheet, a register, and a random wheel. If you want to share that with your students, so just go back to groups and teams. If you want to share that, you can't share this template with students, but you can share it with other teachers, and you can do that by making it public. So just click on make it public, put it in the category you want it, like ESL 1, click OK, and then you can just publish it. And then the computer gives you a link which you can click, copy, and then right click, copy the link, and you can send it to email, Facebook, Twitter. You can send it to back channel chat if you've set one up. You can put links in there for students, or you could even send it to WhatsApp, to a WhatsApp web, and send the links to the students in your WhatsApp group. So that's just a video on a class seating plan.